From Monday onwards, border checks like these will become more frequent in Germany.
Alright, Germany goes hard, extremely hard. Es werden nicht für die Migranten in Deutschland einfacher sein. So, Germany has reintroduced the border checks at its altogether 9 borders with other EU countries. Will this mean the halt in the immigration system or barely minimum problems for the migrants or the asylum seekers? Well, since the country has decided to reintroduce the checks on its borders for the next 6 months starting from this Monday, there will be occasional and regular checks on the borders of Germany. There are altogether 9 borders of Germany with other EU countries. 4 out of these 9 were already facing the border checks, such as Austrian, Czech, Polish and Swiss borders. This will be further now extended to the Netherlands, Denmark, France, Luxembourg and Belgium. This tough decision came into force due to German government's talks with the opposition and afterwards the big success of AfD, the far-right party, in the 2 of the provinces in Germany. The knife attacks in the country and other issues has led the situation that Germany now wants to check the borders, who is coming and who is going out. According to the Nancy Faeser, she is the Interior Minister of Germany, that these new actions will curb migration and Islamic terrorists who use German borders to enter here due to the International Protection Acts, and they apply for asylum, stay in the country and indulge into such acts. Many of you think and ask about if Germany is halting its immigration process that it started back a couple of years or 3 years back. Germany has been working very hard on the immigration-friendly policies, and even the asylum seekers have been able to get residence permits in the country over the past few years. In the coming time, will this curb this whole process? Well, this is difficult to say, but for the time being, I am going to confirm you that there is no stoppage on the total immigration programs who help Germany to get more skilled labor for its labor market. These immigration streams are called skilled worker visa, opportunity card stream and other Ausbildung visas for the apprentices who have been applying these from around the world. There'll be no issue, there'll be no restrictions on applying for these visas from around the world if you are planning or have learned the German language or otherwise are good in tech. You can still apply for these all streams from your country of origin. Talking about the migrants or the asylum seekers or the people who search for the international protection through entering Germany without a legal document or without a visa or entry permits, they'll be having lots of issues. Though all the borders are not being checked continuously 24 hours, there'll be random checks, but still these people may have to face a lot of problems and issues. Since the coalition has already demanded that the German government should detain these people, stop these people at the borders or send them back who have already had an asylum process running in another EU country, but the German government has already confirmed it cannot do that. Otherwise, they have also proposed that in the future there should be detention centers made, if the coalition parties agree to that, on the borders of Germany to process the application, asylum and fingerprints process of the refugees. These all issues, these all problems, these all acts will, however, not affect the processes of legal migration into the country, such as the visas I have already told you. So you can apply for that. If you want to come to Germany legally, the doors are open for you. The only restriction is for those who use the loopholes and who cross the borders without permissions. I will see you next time with another updated news from Germany or from around the world. Till then, stay safe.